Hey, Stu here from UAVfutures, and this is pretty much a channel update video. And you might be thinking, Stuart, what's going on? You're slacking off as you're going away on holidays. I've been getting some messages, people saying, Stuart, are you alright? And pretty much there has been very little activity on my channel because I have been crook as a dog. So this is a little update to let you know what's been going down. Turns out I caught hand, foot and mouth, which most people get when they're kids at daycares and when they're going to school and stuff. Well, I never caught that as a kid, so I'm one of the unfortunate ones who caught it as an adult. Caught off my daughter because she had it last week, and yeah, she brought it home from her daycare setting. I've caught it now, and it pretty much takes like 10 days. You get covered in these annoying blisters, terrible fevers. This is the first time I've been outside, or second time actually, besides the doctors, in 6 days, I think. I think it started last Saturday. I've missed out on some awesome flying sessions. I know Wingman Tony, Jono, Trevor. I was just speaking to Trevor before on the phone. He's planning something this weekend, and I don't want to get them sick as well, so I can't really go out and meet them. And I've pretty much just been sleeping or watching movies. That's all I've done, lying on the couch for the past 10 days. So don't worry. And so don't worry if you're thinking something major's happened. I've just been really sick. So thanks to everybody who sent some emails and chatting to people on Discord and stuff like that. That's been kind of a nice way to pass the time, and thanks for your well wishes. But yeah, just letting you guys know what's been happening, filling you in. I'm not going away, and I just been too sick. So sickest I've been in a long time, actually. Too sick to make some videos. So that's kind of what's been going down. Yeah, other than that, definitely subscribe for more FPV related content. I'm going to leave you with some bonus footage of just some fun things happening because, look, why not? I got all these like outtakes and that sort of stuff, so I'll roll these at the end. You can see some fun things happening, but I'll be back soon. We've got things like the Tyro build, some other crazy shenanigans that I can't wait to get out, go and test. But yeah, anyway, I'm going to roll that other footage. Thanks for everybody's understanding, and that's just the update of what's been happening. I've just been really sick, so that's why there's been no content. Anyway, enough rambling. Happy flying. Enjoy these outtakes. Ooh, that looks pretty bright. What color? Look, check. Yeah. What color would you like? Green. And what effect? Permanent?
Oh, disco lights.
A bit of, I like disco.
Yeah.
What color would you like, lads?
Oh.
What do we want?
Can we make it alternate?
It's also bright.
No, I don't think you can. I don't think you can. What about if I hold it down?
The blue is good.
I don't know what.
Blue?
Blue's good.
Okay, I think that's going to stand out the least.
Yeah, go red. I think red was looking evil. Evil.
Oh, yellow's not too bad. Yeah, that looks like it's out of Terminator.
Just yeah, go white for strobe light, like it's a party. Yeah, party.
I think the LED buttons have stopped responding.
We're stuck with red.
You should have made up your mind.
I want. Okay. If all else fails, plug and replug, right? Permanent red.
Permanent red.
Rightio.
Coming out here.
All right. Right.
Oh yes, please.
Still going.
Stand back, Jono.
Hey? No, it'll be fine. Don't worry about it. It's beeping. It's trying to do a thing. Hey, there we go.
Some success.
Oh, sugar! It wasn't me. That just cut out.
That was gold. Was that foul safe?
I don't know. It must be. How would you rate his line of sight skills there?
That was poor, wasn't it?
Yeah,
that was poor.
I'm thinking maybe
practice
2 out of 10.
Oh, you're generous.
Oh.
More practice.
Yeah,
that old story.
Yeah, classic. All right, you keen to go again?
Yeah, we've got to tighten it up.
Oh. Quick, before the rain comes again. Come on. You can do it. Quick.
You got any tools, Jono?
I've got
no, I didn't
one.
bring any tools. I am the tool.
And I forgot my tools. Lucky Tony's here.
So
Tony saving the day again. It was that one, wasn't it? Is that one?
I think it was this one.
Oh, yeah.
Are they
Hey!
all
Look
the
at
right
that.
way around?
Oh,
Sorry, bit of a zoom in on your crotch.
what's up?
Oh, there's your fingers moving it. I'm like, hang on, that's tight. That's all right.
How many pilots does it take to fasten a prop?
Do we need to fix that?
You might want to
Yeah,
bend it
no.
straight.
Yeah.
Okay.
You want to get that silky smooth footage when you fly
That's
line of
right,
sight.
that's right. I need my fat shark, the line of sight. I need my line of sight goggles.
Right. Try again. Do you feel like you learnt anything on that last flight?
Let's just get it around, just test the fail safe, little punch. Okay.
It's all good. I can't really see it anyway. I don't think it's coming up.
Good luck.
What do you mean? Nope, 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 nope. Oh! I thought I'd lost that. It's really disorientating with them on the top and the bottom.
You probably want to do the back in red and the front in green.
Okay, here's the game. It's called Which Way Is It Facing?
This could go so horribly wrong.
Through the back of the window. Kinda lost it. Oh no, I got it. It's making my brain hurt a little bit.
I'm going to stand behind Stuart.
Yeah, I think we should be
right behind
standing.
him.
I think we should be behind the fence because I.
It's like a merry-go-round.
Punch out, rule out.
Which way am I facing? Nope, 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 no. Whoa.
So here's the challenge, Stu.
Okay.
Punch out whilst you're doing a yaw spin, but you've got to keep the yaw spin on
Yep. And?
until I count to 3.
Okay.
Right? Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, this is bad. This is bad. This is. Ah! Something came off then.
Oh.
Oh, okay. I think it's dead because the lights are on, but I'm sure no one's home on that one. Man, I think it's cleared up.
No, it's still good.
Is it?
What? Except you got no VT. Hang on.
What came? We never had a VTX antenna. What came off?
GoPro holder.
GoPro holder, but apart from that, it's good to fly.
No, where's my GoPro holder?
And your battery
Come here.
looks a little bit.
Oh,
looks a little bit
Oh
awkward.
no!
And you've done. That's just unscrewed.
That's fine. Leave that
that's all
part. Oh, here's the GoPro holder.
This is good to go. I reckon you should take it straight up. Check out the
Okay.
battery, Jono.
Yeah,
That is
wild.
some.
Let's get a close up.
That is some battery orientation. That's pretty special.
Well, my GoPro was okay. I think that's the way it's designed. So these parts break. The straps break that hold it down, and all the force doesn't go into the GoPro.
So no VTX antenna.
No.
No?
The VTX wasn't working when I was testing it before anyway.
Do you want to take it up again?
Yeah.
Straight up.
Let's use the same battery though. I don't want to massacre the same one too many times. You want to go? Yeah. Yeah, all right. Jono's going to have a
I
go.
haven't line of sight in ages. Which is arm.
Back right.
Back right. That one.
No? Yeah, no.
It might
that-
guide.
Let me see if I can get it to arm doing its stupid thing.
Yeah.
And then
Oh, you don't have. Where's your receiver?
oh, yeah.
That's what else was on the
That's
top.
right. there's
Rightio.
no receiver. Oh, that's been completely ripped out. That's gone.
Gone.
That was
wing
a
up
garbage. That was a pretty garbage
Yeah.
receiver though.
Yeah.
Get a wing up again.
All right.
All right.